How to set a white background in your Instagram story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get a clean white background for your story in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. From there, tap on Story to open the story creator. At this point, tap on Create to open the background and text tools. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on the color palette icon at the bottom of the screen to open the background color options. From there, tap through the color options at the bottom and look for the white color from the bar. At this stage, tap on the white color to select it. Following this, tap on the background of your story to apply the white color. Your story background will now turn completely white. Once done, if you can't find white in the color bar, press and hold on the white color on draw option to make it white. From there, it will now have a clean white background. At this point, now you can add text, stickers, music, or anything else on top of your white background to complete your story. Finally, once everything looks the way you want, tap on Your Story at the bottom left to share it with all your followers right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you set a white background on your Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.